Is your business constantly facing the challenge of replacing tools and small equipment? From power tools to iPads, items small enough to fit in a backpack or even an armrest have a tendency to walk away from job sites and offices. The cost of lost, damaged, or stolen items can quickly erode your profits and cash flow. But there's a solution: an effective tracking system. Companies can now use technology similar to inventory tracking to monitor their fixed assets in real time. This involves durable, tamper-proof labels with electronic barcodes attached to each item. These systems come with handheld devices for scanning barcodes when assigning tools and accepting returns. Each code contains a unique identifier, like a serial number or RFID tag, easily read by a scanner. This provides real-time information on the whereabouts and status of both indoor and outdoor tools. The tracking software sends this data to a database used for browsing, billing, and reporting. It even records repair histories and maintenance schedules. The cost of barcode technology varies, depending on your needs. The complexity of the system you'll require depends on the number of items you want to track. And if you're already using this tech for inventory, you might find economies of scale with a system that can handle both types of assets. Creating accountability is crucial. Employees who check out tools know that if they don't return them, they or their project could be charged for missing items. This makes them more vigilant in protecting these assets. Moreover, the right system can reduce legal liability. In many industries, federal or union rules require specific safety gear. A formal tracking system shows that you've issued the proper equipment, potentially limiting accident liability. Proactive companies integrate these tracking systems into their accounting systems. This allows for detailed reports on tool usage by employee, job code, or project number, helping to manage company resources wisely. If you suspect asset misuse, these reports can be invaluable in meetings, showing, in dollars and cents, the impact of wasted resources. Time to upgrade your tracking system? Contact us at SD Mayer & Associates LLP. We've helped businesses implement this technology efficiently while avoiding common pitfalls. Let's secure your assets together.